Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see the AI agent development. So I have logged into my ai.azure.com and here the first thing we'll do is I will select here new foundry. So I'll click on this button here. Okay, once you'll click a button, you can select either a project or I'm going to create a new project. First thing is that I need to give name to my project. So I will quickly give this name. Here make sure you are selecting your correct subscription and resource group, and further your resource name or your Foundry resource name, and then make sure you are selecting the correct region. The recommended are on these two at the moment when I'm recording this video, and I will say create. So it will take some time now. So I'll go to next here. Here is my endpoint, Azure OpenAI endpoint, my API key. I will say next, and I will say create the agent. Alright, so here it will ask me to give a name to my agent. So assume I want to create an agent related to my expense agent. So I will give the name here and I should be all set. Okay. Now the next thing that I will do is I'm going to pick something from this Microsoft repository. So I'm going to pick this expense policy document. Okay, so here if you see, this is my expense policy document where the traveling limit is 500, accommodation, then meals, entertainment, office supplies, etc. etc. So I'm going to download this file and it will be available in my local downloads folder. Okay, and now let me, if you see here, my agent is ready. So the first thing is that I have already provided a name to my agent. Second thing is this voice and model. So we're not going to focus on this one. This is going to be a simple one. So here I will type the command. So as I'm creating the agent related to my expenses, so I will put some instruction. So putting the nice instruction when you are using AI is very much important because AI have a lot of data. So based on your keywords, only it is going to give the best and accurate result. So make sure to always give good instruction to your AI model. So here if you see, we are providing instruction that you are an AI assistant for corporate expenses. Okay, you will answer about the expenses. The user may enter different kind of expenses, blah blah, all this. Okay, yeah, now my instruction are ready. Then the next thing is I will upload the file. So I'm going to upload my this expense policy document. Okay, here again it is going to create a new index. The name of index will be this, so I'm totally fine with this. I can provide the document here. Okay, so all these are supported on at the moment. So I will upload my this policy document. So it is success now. I will go ahead and will attach. Alright, so here if you see, now the file is uploaded here. Okay, and this is available inside my tools as well. Alright, and further I want to tell you about this one as well. This if in case you want to deal with code and all this, so that is also you can do. Okay, so for now let me save this. Right, my save is completed. So I can go towards my this chat window, and now let me ask the question here. So for example, I will say what is the maximum I can claim for my meals. So if you see this policy document, so for meals you have $50 per day. So now, okay, alright. Alright guys, I waited for some time and I cleared my this chat, and now if I'll ask the questions here, so it should give me $50 as we have seen into our policy document. Let's wait for some time. Okay, here if you can see the maximum you can cover is blah blah, and also it have provided a description as well that you should limit your meals to this one, reasonable price, avoid alcoholic and this beverages and everything. So here let me give one more, uh, so here if you simply type I'd like to submit a claim for a meal. Okay, so let's see what it provides. So here it will ask, provide your blah blah, all this kind of information. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can create your agent AI, especially using this new Foundry, and we have simply seen some, basic examples. Okay, but now let's see if you want to explore the code, how you can do that. So for that, the simple would be you can simply go to code section here, and you will see your code in this window itself. Here you can click on this VS Code that will launch the VS Code for you, and it will take some time. So it's a direct URL. It will do configuration for you. Okay, here it is saying for this. I will say enter, and it is basically setting up your environment. And the second thing is here you have this environment variable. So you can see all your details are available here. Like regarding, so for example, when you will connect it to VS Code, right? So VS Code should run which application from Azure should I run, and all this other information. So if you want to, work with your code and all this stuff, so you can directly use VS Code as well. So it will do everything, installation and everything for me. So you can see, now all this information here. For example, your agent name, your environment label, location, etc., etc. And here is your main Python code that is available from here. So if you want to do it, you can do it from here. And here also it is asking to install Python and everything, so you can install it. So this is how you can create a very basic AI agent using your Foundry. So thank you for watching this video.